We talk about innovation as a key value that we have as part of the student experience at Hill Murray. It's embedded in our culture. So maybe perhaps if a little more than others, we're willing to look at new ideas.
When I met with Green Sign Solutions a few months back, it was prior to COVID hitting, and we were interested in it, but everything changed shortly after that, and that's when we really got serious about trying some things out.
Good morning, Jim Hansen.
You know, for us, this was a question of cost, ease of use, and effectiveness. That SAO water was really what tipped us over to make the decision. The maintenance team loves it, it's easy to use, it's simple, people understand it, and it's effective. And that makes a very huge difference for us as a school. When you enter the building, we have a little technology there, it's a Q code, you put your smartphone up, you're asked 2 or 3 questions. One of those questions is, where are you going in the building? We track that, and our maintenance team cleans those areas in the summer.
Have a good day.
And then once school comes, and we're rotating students from class to class, after every hour, those desks will be cleaned as well. And then a deeper clean at the end of the day.
You know, first day of school, we've got 850 kids grabbing doorknobs and lockers, and you know, we're developing protocols to help with that, both in the classroom and in public areas where we'll use different types of sprayers and that. But they should be confident that they're safe. You know, you need to feel safe in a school for a million reasons, but you shouldn't have to worry about it not being clean.
And the ability to do testing. So when you think about using SAO water technique, well, we'll be able to do that with every single classroom. And not only will we be able to use that material, but then test to make sure that we've actually cleaned it effectively.
Works great on glass, you know, works great on all the hard surfaces, and we could use it anywhere as it's been advertised, our mop buckets, everything, and it's been great. My wife suffers from autoimmune disease, as well as a son that is a diabetic, and they're at the top of the list of, you know, if you get the pandemic, that's a tough goal for them. And I said, you know what, I think I'm going to take this home to my wife. I said, if this passes her test and her opinion of it, that's a good thing, and it's changed everything. We clean our food with it, we clean money with it, we throw our keys down, you know, and I could see that once she got her confidence in it, I said, we got to change. This is the right thing to do.
We actually had a letter that went out to the community the second week in June when we had the draft of our plan done, communicating to everybody that we were planning to come back and here are the steps we are taking. Within 5 minutes, I had 13 emails, the first of which was from a nurse who said, this is phenomenal, it's well thought out, you're using the latest technologies, we're really happy, I feel safe to send my child back to school. And that's the kind of response we want to have from our parents. We know we can't eliminate all of the risk in the facility, but the trade-off between being in a safe place versus being at home is dramatic for a lot of parents, and we're doing the best we can. I can't think any parent would ask any more of that of us.